In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom crosshair on your PlayStation 4 for games that don't have built-in crosshair customization. Method 1. Using in-game settings. First, check if your game supports crosshair customization in its settings. Many popular shooters like Call of Duty or Fortnite have built-in options. Go to the Settings or Options menu in your game. Look for crosshair or HUD customization and adjust to your liking. Method 2. Using a custom crosshair overlay external device. You can buy custom crosshair overlays or screen stickers online. These are small, transparent stickers that you place on your TV screen exactly where your crosshair appears. This method doesn't modify the game, but helps with aiming visually. Method 3. Using software on PC and streaming. If you stream PS4 gameplay to your PC via remote play, you can use software on your PC to add custom crosshairs. This works only while streaming and not directly on your console. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.